Hello everyone. Today we talk about sports. Today we talk about sports. Do you play sports? Look at this picture. Look at this picture. This is a boy. He plays sports. This is a boy. He plays sports. The sport this boy plays is soccer. Do you play soccer? The boy kicks the ball. The boy kicks the ball. The boy plays soccer. Look at this next picture. Look at this next picture. This is a girl. This is a girl. The girl plays sports. The girl plays sports. Do you play sports? The girl plays basketball. The girl plays basketball. Do you play basketball? The girl throws the basketball. The girl throws the basketball. Do you play basketball? Look at this picture. Look at this picture. This is a girl. This is a girl. The girl plays a sport. The girl plays a sport. The girl plays tennis. The girl plays tennis. Do you play tennis? The girl hits the tennis ball. The girl hits the tennis ball. Do you play tennis? I see many people. I see many people. They play different sports. The boy plays soccer. This girl plays basketball. And this girl plays tennis. Do you play sports? Okay, everybody, that's all for now. Bye-bye.